This is part number RP77311, a shower valve socket tool for removing shower and tub cartridge stems. It has two different sizes on it. One size is a smaller one of 21 30-seconds and the larger size 27 30-seconds. There's a rod handle that you will insert into the hole. You've got to make sure when you're putting it onto the stem that there's two different nuts, two different sizes, and you want to get it to the bottom nut that'll be inside of the fixture. And then you're able to rotate and then pull out the stem. That's all there is to it. If you don't know what size you need, then you can get the shower valve socket tool set, part number RP77310.